Hi, this is Kalai Shelvi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, TCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, discuss about on testing in software engineering. First of all, what do you mean by software testing? Software testing is a method to check whether the actual software product match the accepted requirements and to ensure the software product is defect or error free. It involves execution of software or system components using manual or automated tools to evaluate one or more properties of interest. Next one, purpose of the software testing is identify errors, gaps or missing requirements in contrast to actual requirements. Why software testing is important? Then software testing is important because if there are any bugs or errors in the software, it can be identified early and can be solved before delivery of the software product. Properly tested software product ensure reliability, security and high performance, which further results in time of saving, cost effectiveness and customer satisfaction. What are the benefits of software testing? There are 4 different types of benefits. First one, cost effective. It is one of the important advantages of software engineering. This testing and IT people on time helps to solve your money for the long time. In case if the bug caught into the earlier stage, the software testing is cost less to fix. Security. It is the most vulnerable and sensitive benefit of software engineering. The people are looking for trust product. It helps in removing risk and problem earlier. Product quality. It is an essential requirement of any software product. The testing ensures the quality product is delivered to customers. Customer satisfaction. The main aim of any product is give the satisfactions of the customer or UI or US testing ensure the best user experience. Next, types of software testing. Functional testing, non-functional testing or performance testing and maintenance testing, then recursion testing. The functional testing is the testing or a group of software type of testing where the system is tested against the functional requirements and specifications. Then the non-functional testing is a group of software testing type whether by the system is tested against the non-functional requirements like usability, performance, security and compliance. Performance testing is a type of software testing that intend to determine how the system perform in terms responsiveness and stability under the certain load. Next, recursion testing. The recursion testing is a software testing that intend to ensure that the changes or example enhanced or defective fix to the software have not adversely affected it. Thank you, students.